I've heard a lot of this from other people that opposites attract. I personally experienced that on my past relationship. Hi guys! Welcome and welcome back to our channel. My name is Amor and I am from the Philippines, and my partner is from Puerto Rico, and we are the Philippine Ricans. This video guys, I'm going to share to you 8 common reasons why relationship fails. So let's start. So I know a lot of you can relate on this if I namely those reasons, because no relationship is perfect. So number 1 reason why relationship fail is lack of communication. So here we go again with the communication, guys. When communication break down, it can be very difficult to re-establish the communication. Many couples struggled with communication after claiming that they speak different languages, yet failure to communicate. I can give you example for that, guys. When your partner stops sharing her or his feelings, concerns, or daily experiences, leading to emotional disconnection. So number 2 is lack of trust. We know this, guys. Without trust, it is impossible to have a healthy relationship. Trust is absolutely essential to the companionship and intimacy that holds the relationship together. Yet it is also one of the hardest things to earn and keep. Example, guys, constant suspicion and accusations that can wear down the bond. Number 3 common reasons why relationship fail is unresolved conflict. This, when issues are not addressed, they can fester and create a rift between partners. This also is present why relationship fails. Stonewalling, yelling, or refusing to compromise during arguments. Number 4, infidelity or betrayal. Cheating. Yes, if your partner is unfaithful to you, and if your partner cheat on you, this could be a main reason why relationship fails. Cheating often stems dissatisfaction, boredom, or poor communication. Emotional and physical cheating creates wounds that are hard to heal. Number 5, guys, is comparison. Comparing with your current partner with a former relationship is a guaranteed disaster. No one likes to compare with the other person because each of us is unique. And comparing is unfair. I personally experienced that on my past relationship, and nobody wants to compare. Number 6, guys, is lack of empathy. This is very obvious, a tough one, because it's very easy to caught up on your own experience. If your partner don't care about you, that could be the reason why your relationship fail. Number 7, guys, is compatibility problems. I've heard a lot of this from other people that opposites attract. Yes, but extremely tough to keep a relationship of opposites together. Basic compatibility on such things like values, goals, overview about life is essential to a comfortable long-term relationship. Number 8, guys, abusive behavior. Abusive should never tolerated in any relationship. No one plans to enter physically or emotionally abusive relationships. There are several types of abuse to look out for, like physical, sexual, emotional, or verbal. None of this should you experience. If your partner is abusive, better leave and run. So hope, guys, you like this video. Those are 8 common reasons why relationship fails. And that's all for today's video. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the bell button so then you will notify to our next video. If you want more, then subscribe for more. See you in our next video. Bye bye, guys. Gracias.